판이 달라요?
What up, y'all? How's it going? Ben Dean here, and I am with SJ at a Korean barbecue place. This is the first time I'm doing a mukbang outside in an actual, in a restaurant. So I'm pretty excited about this one. I know the lighting and the sound isn't the best, so you're gonna have to bear with me on that one. But yeah, anyway, we ordered a couple different kinds of meats. We got moksa, which is cooking up right now, and we also got kalbi, which some of you guys might have heard of. You might have heard of LA kalbi, but they're both pork. The kalbi over here is marinated, so it has a lot of extra flavor. This one isn't marinated, so it's just kind of the pure pork flavor. And just like any other Korean restaurant, we have a bunch of side dishes. I also got a soju, which just got delivered to our table here. This is chamiso, my favorite soju, and something that's I think is crucial when you're at a Korean barbecue place. And here is the kalbi that's waiting to get cooked. Cooking this up first, eat that, and then we'll cook up the kalbi and eat that as well. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and try out this piece right here. So there's many ways you can eat Korean barbecue, as I'm sure a lot of you know, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try this one with a little bit of salt. Wow.
Wow.
So good, so tender and fatty and salty and delicious. By the way, this place is called Jeju Pan Doyaji, and I guess all of the pork is from Jeju Island, which, if you don't know what that is, it's a Korean island to the south of the Korean peninsula, and they're really famous for their pork, really good quality. So this place is a little bit expensive, I think, but wow, after I took that first bite, definitely worth it. This is a really nice place too. So you don't see this all the time, but over here there's a separate grill, a grate that's separate from the heat. After the meat gets done cooking, you can put it on here, and it still stays warm but doesn't overcook. Wow. That's so much salt. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna try some of these side dishes as well. So I think I should say this was pumpkin 호박이지?
고구마.
No, 고구마? Like sweet potato salad. And another thing that is unique about this place, well, it's not completely unique, I've seen it a lot, but they cook some eggs right next to the meat there for you, so they put some cheese in there as well. Really nice. Alright, I'm gonna get some garlic on this one. Actually, I'm gonna dip this in the salt first, and the soy sauce. Get some of this samjang, and what else can I throw in here? Some kimchi. Actually, I'm gonna go for this stuff over here. Just experimenting with new flavors is one of the best parts as well. 와, 맛있지?
나 아직도 하나밖에 안 먹었어.
계란도 맛있어.
아 그래?
Yeah, this place is really nice so far. Really liking it.
야 근데 이거 노래 조심해.
왜?
저작권 있는 노래 나오면은
그러네.
이거
I'm gonna go crazy on this one. This might be a no-no, but I'm mixing some egg right in here on this.
헐.
이상해?
갈비 구워달라 하자. 옆에 버튼 눌러봐봐.
나와드릴까요?
네.
This is 된장찌개, right?
된장찌개 맛있어.
Which is a famous kind of soup in Korea as well.
어때?
이거 뭘로 만든 거지?
된장.
So this is a really sour kind of cold soup type of thing. It's very unique, not bad at all. We're gonna start grilling that second meat right now, so let me show you that.
한다. 노래 조심해. 노래 여기 예전에 걔 누구야 프란치스카 이렇게 너처럼 삼겹살 먹으러 왔거든?
아,
근데
진짜?
노래 때문에
안 되네.
다 미출했어.
진짜?
응.
대박. 편집 많이 해야 할 것 같아. 많이 잘라야
이
돼.
노래 때문에.
이 앵글로.
저희 상추 좀 더 주세요.
Alright, switch up the angle just a little bit. See, I don't know, I'm kind of concerned about the background noise over this way. But, oh well, we'll see how it goes. You've never seen that in one of my mukbangs before, so just trying something.
감사합니다.
Got some more lettuce. Yeah, I'm already getting some strange looks. Luckily, this place is like kind of unlike any Korean barbecue place I've seen before, because we're in a booth that's kind of separated. Like there's walls behind me and behind SJ, which is pretty unique. Most of the time, Korean barbecue places are super, just like a big old room with a bunch of tables in it, and very loud. We came here. It's only 6 o'clock right now, though. We came here really early to hopefully avoid a lot of the extra noise. Mops. 진짜 맛있어. Alright, so we're gonna cut this up. So we got all the kalbi cut up. This is actually one of two of my favorite Korean barbecue meats. So the other one is samgyeopsal, which we have done a video on before, just at home. And this is definitely number 2. Or maybe, it always switches actually. Sometimes this is my favorite, sometimes samgyeopsal is my favorite, but yeah, definitely, if you come to Korea, those are the two that I would recommend that you try for sure. And I guess, yeah, this is a meat that SJ does not eat. She's very selective and picky on what kind of cuts of meat that she eats, and I guess she doesn't eat this one, so this one's all for me. And I'll definitely enjoy all of this. 다른 거 시킬까?
다른 거? 아니 괜찮은데?
Alright, here's just a small piece that I'm gonna try out. Plain.
김치. 이리 와.
The marinade on this is so nice. If you've never had it, you gotta try it. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so all the kalbi is done cooking and we set it off to the side. I'm gonna switch angles once again real quick, just to show you, I'm gonna make an epic wrap. I'm gonna eat most of it without lettuce. I'm just gonna dip it in a sauce or salt or whatever. But before I do that, I'm gonna use this piece of lettuce or cabbage or whatever this is to make one last epic wrap. So let's build this. Gotta put a lot of meat in there. I'm gonna use 3 pieces. Oh, look at that. Alright, get some garlic in there. Get a little piece of kimchi. Honestly, kimchi is not crucial to me, so I'm gonna use this tiny little piece. And oh yeah, this is really good as well. I'm gonna put a good amount. Alright, so here's what we're working with. It's kind of like a mini meal in one little wrap. You got everything you need. Really good. Hard to chew at the beginning, but super good. Last piece of meat right here. Oh man, looking good. So tender. And one last shot of soju. Nothing better, I'll tell you what. So I would probably give this place a solid A, which is rare for me, but it's just a super good. A little bit expensive, but definitely worth it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. This is a meat that SJ does not eat, so she's very selective on what kind of meat she eats. That sounds kind of